In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew a listing in Facebook Marketplace. If your item has been sitting for a while, renewing it is a quick way to bring it back to the top of search results and get fresh eyes on it without recreating the post from scratch. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can do it in under a minute. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone or head to the Facebook website on your computer. From the main menu, choose Marketplace. On mobile, it looks like a small storefront icon along the bottom or top bar, and on desktop you'll find Marketplace in the left sidebar. This takes you to the central hub for buying and selling. Next, go to your own post by tapping or clicking your listings, sometimes labeled Selling. This section collects everything you've put up for sale. Take a moment to scan the list so you're sure you're working on the right item. If you have a lot of posts, it can help to glance at the thumbnail photo and price to spot it quickly. When you find the item you want to refresh, open the Actions menu by selecting the three dots next to that listing. This menu contains quick tools for managing your post. Make sure you're choosing an active listing. Items that are marked sold or archived can't be renewed until they're made active again. From the menu, choose Renew Listing. As soon as you do, Facebook refreshes the listing's timestamp. That simple update gives your post a bump, pushing it higher in Marketplace search results and browse feeds. Renewing doesn't change your photos, title, description, or price. It simply makes the listing appear recent again. After renewing, look for the on-screen confirmation, or a subtle note showing the listing was recently updated. To buyers, it now looks newer, which can lead to more views and more messages. You don't need to do anything else at this point. Your item is back in circulation and ready to be discovered. A couple of quick tips before you go. If you don't see the renew listing option, it may not be available for that post yet, or the feature can vary based on region and category. Give it a little time and check back from your listings. Also, consider renewing during hours when your local audience is most active to maximize the visibility boost. That's all it takes. Open Marketplace, head to your listings, use the three dots on the item you want and select Renew Listing to bring it back to the top. Thanks for watching and happy